Hi, I'm Dayan, and today I'm going to tell you about variable. Variable is a container to store a value. A is the variable, and true is a value. A could equal 1. A could equal a decimal, like 1.2. It could include a string. It could include a list. It could include a set. These are the rules for naming variables, which means you have to keep them. Number 1, it could only be made out of alphabets, numbers, and underscore. Like a num string, like num2 and stuff. Number 2, it cannot start with a number. Like 2 num and 3 string is something that cannot be true. You cannot use that as a variable name. Number 3, you cannot use reserved words like print, return, true, if, for, false, and like some other stuff. These are the stuff you don't need to do it. It's not an error, but if you do it, most of the good developers, software engineers, and most of the people use it. So number 1, it should all be lowercase. Number 2, if you're using more than one word, you should separate it by underscore. And if it's singular value, it's like one value, it should be a singular variable. If there's more than one value, like lists and sets, you should use plural variables. Like it could include strings. And if you're saying more than one word, like quiz count, you should separate it by underscore. Thank you for watching. Bye!